Hey Math Wizards, it's Miss Kanji here again. Today's video is going to be all about comparing fractions, and we can compare fractions in a couple of different ways. Today we're going to use fraction models, those models that we've been drawing, to help us compare them, to see which one's bigger, which one's smaller. So today is all about comparing fractions using fraction models. Let's jump right in. So if you were asked to compare 1/3 and 3/6 to see which one's bigger, which one's smaller, we're going to be using our alligator mouths, right? We have the greater than, less than, or equal to. We're going to be using those signs. We're going to put the alligator sign inside once we decide which one's bigger or smaller. So we're going to be using our fraction models to figure out which one's bigger or which one's smaller. So it's going to be very similar. We're going to make our rectangle and cut our rectangle in half because we want to make sure when we compare fractions, we're having the same piece. We're comparing the same pieces. So 1/3 I'm going to do on the top, and 3/6 I'm going to do on the bottom. So to make thirds, I kind of eyeball it and label all the parts, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, and I need to shade in one part. That's 1/3. And then I need to make 3/6. So again, thirds and sixths are friends. So what I'm going to do is just make thirds again, bring down my lines, and then each third I'm going to cut in half. And I'm doubling it. So instead of one piece, now it's two pieces, and each piece is 1/6. And I need to shade in three of them. 1, 2, 3. So if I look at my fraction model, there's more green shaded in than blue. So that tells me that 3/6 is larger than 1/3, or 1/3 is smaller than 3/6. So my alligator mouth is open towards the bigger fraction, the 3/6. So I can say 1/3 is smaller than 3/6, or 3/6 is larger than 1/3, and I can say my fraction model shows me that 3/6 is larger than 1/3 because more is shaded in. Let's do another example. I have 2/4 and 3/8. So you can probably guess that I'm going to make my fraction model, make one big rectangle, cut that rectangle in half, and I'm going to have 2/4 on top and 3/8 on the bottom. So for fourths, I'm going to start with half, and then since halves and fours are friend, I'm going to take each half and cut it in half. So then I have 1/4, 1/4, I have 4/4, and I need to shade in two of them, 1, 2, and then to do 3/8, eighths are friends with fourths. So again, I'll start with fourths, and then each fourth is going to be broken up into two pieces, and I've created eighths. And I need to shade in three of them. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, it's looking pretty close, but it is looking like my blue, there's more blue shaded than there is green. So that tells me that 2/4 is larger or bigger than 3/8. And I know that because my fraction model shows that the 2/4, there's more shaded than the 3/8. Because remember, we could also think about this as a number line situation where it's 0 over here and 1 over here. So the blue is closer to 1 than the green is. So 2/4 is larger than 3/8. So I hope this video was helpful so that you could see how fraction models can help you to compare fractions. Watch as many times as you'd like, and thanks for watching.